Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber, and don't be shy to say hello in the comments. Hi everybody, and welcome to today's vlog. Today we was planning on taking a trip to the zoo, but Haley fell and hit her head, so we decided to postpone it to tomorrow and then just keep an eye on her. So today I'm going to do some baking, some cleaning, and spending some time outside in the backyard. And right now Haley and Freya is playing on the tower. This swing is nice. Look at all the green in the tree. Lovely, and Mikkel just left, so I'm left alone with that one. Well, this day took another turn again. Freya was itching her hair, and I was like, oh no, that's not, but it was. And we have lice again for I think it's the 4th time within a year. That's too much. I'm like, oh my god. So Mikkel bought these, and now we're going to do this again. I'm so tired of lice right now. Liam had it once in daycare, and now he is almost 10, and they have got it like 4 times within a year. I don't know what's happening. Don't mind the laundry, as you can see. I'm folding some towels, and then I have some stuff to clean up here, and yeah. Now I'm just getting the next load of laundry ready. My laundry routine is that I try to do at least 1 load of laundry every day, and then in the weekends I catch up. That's because during the week I don't have so much time because I have school and all the other chores, mom stuff, the kids have sports, etc. But in the weekends I try to catch up. And I found out if I do not do any laundry during the week, I can't catch up in the weekends. So I have to do a little bit every day. And another load of laundry. Tell me, how does your laundry routine look like? Are you doing a little bit every day, or do you have one day in the week that you're doing laundry? now it's time to get all of this down and fold all this. And I'm not going to film that because that would be a really long, boring video, I think. But this is what I'm going to do now. Well, there is way too much stuff in here. Oh, it is stacked totally chaotic. And Mikkel brought home some milk and yogurt, so I have to organize in here right now. So now I got everything out of the shelves and I can see that we have a lot of eggs. I really need to do some baking, pancakes and stuff. Yeah? Yeah. And then I'm just giving this a quick wipe down. I love to hear how other people are doing. Are you having a special day you're scheduling to get everything out of your fridge and check it all for the expires, the dates, and getting rid of all the old food? Or are you just taking it as it comes? When it starts to look dirty, or when you're missing space in your refrigerator. I haven't really got a special schedule and a day in the week to do the fridge. I'm still trying to settle as a studying and working mom, who is also making YouTube. But I would like to have one day each week to do this. So I'll always stay one step ahead. Kommer. Not a deep cleaning, but just a quick wipe over the surfaces. But much better. You know, done is better than nothing. Done is endless more than nothing. Mikkel is doing some barbecue. This looks delicious. Sausages, spare ribs, chicken on a stick. What's not to like? Let me know when you're doing barbecue. What are you doing then? Maybe you're grilling some other stuff that we don't do here in Denmark. Just write in a comment what's your favorite thing to do the barbecue. No. Katie just found the strawberries.
Yeah, she loves
Yum
strawberries.
yum. Yeah.
Attached to them.
Yum yum.
Mom, if there's a lot of Vanessa.
Det er ikke I had these bell peppers that was on the edge of going bad, so I just sliced them and put them in bags and in the freezer so I can use them in casseroles and stuff like that. So this is how it turned out. Not totally pretty, but way better than before. And everything fits in here now. Also the milk Mika bought and the yogurt. So yeah, this is it. Oh yes, and this one. Now I think we'll do the lice treatment, clean up after dinner, and then I'll stop cleaning and continue tomorrow, because now I'm after the lice treatment and the cleanup after dinner, I'm going to edit some videos. So see you again tomorrow.